nala noma nisihlukumeza noma nidlwengula ingane ngeke Sphel'Amandla noma nisishaya noma nisihlukumeza noma nisibulala ngeke Sphel'Amandla ngeke Sphel'Amandla ngeke Sphel'Amandla ngeke Sphel'Amandla thina sizoqhubeka ngeke Sphel'Amandla ngeke Sphel'Amandla ngeke Sphel'Amandla thina siyanqoba ngeke Sphel'Amandla ngeke Sphel'Amandla ngeke Sphel'Amandla thina sizoqhubeka ngeke Sphel'Amandla ngeke Sphel'Amandla ngeke Sphel'Amandla thina sizonqoba ngeke Sphel'Amandla ngeke Sphel'Amandla ngeke Sphel'Amandla thina sizoqhubeka ngeke Sphel'Amandla ngeke
I cried and wished the pain away. I cried, but still my tears fought to stay. A downpour of tears flooding down my face. What a disgrace. The men in our lives are wiping us out. The total disregard of our voices when we shout, stop. I am shivering in disbelief. Such disregard of the female body has left me stuck with grief. We are being victimized, terrorized, and tortured. The same person that gives you pleasure is the same person that is capable of chopping your body and putting it in a bag. The same person that is supposed to protect you is the same person that hangs your highly pregnant body on a tree. The same person that is supposedly your rock is the same person that puts you in a bin and burns your body at a field, or storms into a room and stabs you beyond recognition. Well, in this country, you're even killed at the post office. I feel nauseated, sick to my core. Our children are in danger. We fear leaving them alone with their uncles, fathers, and neighbors. What are we teaching them? Our boys must be agents of change and never mirror this toxic behavior. What are we teaching them? Ngeke Sphel'Amandla. What have we done? What have we done? What have we done to deserve such brutality?
Riska